Hello YouTube guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Origami Ninja Star. We need two letters, format letters. I have corp one because it will corp. I just have it for the time, we don't have very much time. Now let's corp and another. Done it like this. We need a perfect origami. So we will do it very slow. Now we will use that to corp it. This doesn't need to us, so we have two of that. We'll catch it like this and do it. Now again, and now we'll look. We need to find it. Do you look it? Now we catch it and go it to there. Just a little more, and then another. It's same. Now let's do it with no words. We need a perfect, so we'll do very slow. I said the first time. You know that? We need 2 pieces of that. There are 2, yeah. And this is the perfect price. Now let's just get them and do another. It's the same, but now we'll do it more faster. More faster. Now do you see that? Catch it again and again. More faster. More faster than the first because you have seen the first. This is my letter and it will be again. Now let's just see. Catch another place. Catch it and see it like this. Catch it to here, here, and then catch this place up, then there, and down it. It's the hardness working this, so it's hard. It's very hard. It's wants so much time. It's hard work to do it. But we need to do it. It's so hard. I think we'll try another. Let's try another work. Let's try again. Catch it, and then it. Oh, I done it. Now you see a better shotgun. So, Biotop, this was all. This is all.